You guys want to turn this thing on? Well, I'm talking to the kiddos. Y'all want to turn it on? Yeah. Okay, I need all the kiddos to come over here. And we're going to do this together.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My name is Danielle Williams, and I'm the Assistant Director of Victoria Parks and Recreation. And today we're doing the grand opening of the Ethel Tracy splash pad. Ethel Tracy Park is known as the park behind the mall. That seems to be the easiest way to tell people how to get here. We started on this project back in January, and actual construction started in about March. And so it's taken a little bit longer than anticipated, but we have it open for this summer. After today, we'll be open 7 days a week from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., along with our other 2 splash pads that we have across the city too. So we've got 3 total splash pads. This is our 3rd and newest one. Actually, this is a totally different theme than the other ones. At the youth sports, we have more of an athletic theme with different sports such as baseball and tennis. This one is the grasslands theme, and some of the amenities on here are different. We've got the acrylic type features that are see-through, which makes it really nice on the dumping bucket because you can see the water fill and you can anticipate when it's going to tump over. And here it goes. It's fixing to tump over right now.
I'm Jason. We're having fun at the splash pad, and everyone's here. And yes, this is me, Jason Burrell.
Everybody, y'all need to come down to the splash pad here at the park, and we're all having a good time, so y'all need to come. Bye.
I want to thank a few people that were very important to the creation of this facility. It's really interesting to note that so much private money went towards the construction and building of this, and it speaks so well of our community to have such wonderful people contribute privately to build this.
So we would like everybody to come out and try out the new splash pad here at Ethel Tracy Park. And if you have any questions about it, you can call our office at 485-3200, or you can also check us out on Facebook for Victoria Parks and Recreation.